Okay, let's just go to Fiverr. Okay, the first thing you're gonna want to do is type in your niche. So let's pretend like I wanted to be a social media manager. All right, if I want to be a social media manager, the first thing I want to look at is the results. There's 41,000 people that you got to compete with. Now think of it like this: if you are selling a service and you're on a block and there's 41,000 of those types of businesses on that same block, you know the chances of you becoming top dog is very slim. And if even if you were the top dog, you still have to share your service and compete with 41,000 other people. So you want to niche down. So let's look into the results as we niche down. Okay, so get rid of social media. Let's try Instagram. Instagram manager. Let's try that. See, now we're down to 71,000 or 7,100 results. That's still a little too high though. Let's see if we can niche down a little bit more. Let's try a LinkedIn. LinkedIn manager. See, now we're actually getting somewhere. You want to be under 1,000 when it comes to Fiverr because their algorithm changes every week. They switch. You can literally be on the first page for someone else's algorithm. You can be on this first page. Your chances are high every week to get switched over, and you're not competing with thousands of people. So this is LinkedIn is a good one. Let's try YouTube. YouTube is 2,400, right? So now that you guys can see that you're actually able to type in different niches and see that you come up with different results, now let's actually compare what everybody's doing because everybody on here may not be doing the same thing. So somebody on here, they're doing SEO. Let's just open him up in a new tab. Let's open her up. Let's just open the top three. Boom and boom. So they're charging $25 to do one video of SEO ranking. He'll do a title, description, hashtags, and coding for one video. Standard 125 for 6 videos. 195 for 10 videos. Okay, what's the next person doing? $15 for 2 videos. And she's breaking it down in audience size. $45 for 5 videos in a certain audience size with some backlinks, and $65 for 10 videos, audience size backlinks, right? Let's try the third person. One video for $20, 5 videos for $80, and 150 videos for or $150 for 10 videos. So one thing that you can do is niche down further into this niche and not offer anything besides uploading and SEO. Don't offer backlinks. Don't offer coding. Don't offer any of that stuff and be cheaper. Because like if I was doing this, I would offer unlimited videos for a week. I'll be your manager for one day for my basic package, a week for my standard package, and for the whole month for my premium package. I wouldn't number the videos. That would make me stand out because I'm not giving you a certain number. You can give me as many videos as you want. I'll upload all of them, and I'll give you SEO, and I would do it at a cheaper price. So that would make me that would make me competitive because a lot of people don't know what they need. And I will also add a consultant call so you can explain to them what they need. Explain to them that these people are giving them fluff and they don't need half of that. And you'll give them unlimited. You'll be their manager for unlimited videos for the whole duration of the week, month, or day. It's all about scoping your competition, making it more competitive. And since you're doing it that way, now you can change your keyword. So let's change our keyword from YouTube Manager to YouTube Upload Manager because now you're just uploading videos. YouTube uploader. Boom, you're niching it down. Now you have 348 other people to compete with. So I honestly think that this is the way to do it. It's all about not what it is that you're doing, but how you're framing yourself, how you're saying what you're doing and what people are actually searching for is going to give you the better opportunity to actually compete and rank up. So let's do another video. Let's do another keyword. Like, I believe that like web development is really popular. Let's see how many people are competing for that. Website development. 43,000 results. For the basic package here, they're charging $80, $285, and $495 for let's see, for what? What does it include? One page, functional website, content upload, 5 plugins, extensions, and all this stuff, right? And this is pretty much what everybody's going to be charging. If you look at what's included, everybody's one page, content upload, 5 pages, 10 pages, same thing probably here. One page, content upload, 2 plugins, 20 products, all this stuff. Now, what you're going to want to do to think outside the box is think these people need security. You know, maybe you can't be, you can still work with WordPress, you can still work with websites, but you may not want to, you may want to get your clientele a different way. You may want to think about what do these people need after they get their website. They're going to need maintenance done. They're going to need security done. So maybe you want to look into stuff like that, right? So you may understand certain things in your niches, and you may know what Cloudflare is. Now, if you don't know what Cloudflare is, I got it pulled up right here. Cloudflare is a service that helps improve the security, performance, reliability, and privacy of anything connected to the internet. So you may want to help people set up their Cloudflare and look at the results right here for people that need help set up their Cloudflare, because a lot of people don't know this stuff. But if you are in web development, you probably can figure it out if you don't know already how to do this stuff. So you're looking at 313 results, and you can just easily rank on for this keyword and still be in web development. And the people that you are helping set up their stuff, if you build relationships with them, you can work on their next projects. You can get referred to their friends and stuff like that, and other partners and stuff like that. So this is how you have to think to bully your way into the game, to bully your way into the competition with Fiverr or with anything that you do. So that's pretty much everything that I wanted to show you for this video. Please subscribe, comment if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, or if you need anything, I'll be able to respond. If you need anything, I'll respond. And yeah, smash that like button, smash everything, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.